Hey, it's Jimmy, and right now I want to show you one of our top features that you should be trying out today in Pictory. Let's check out the AI video editor. This tool is a great way to take some long-form content and trim it down using a little bit of AI magic and some text-based video editing tools. So I'll start by dragging and dropping my file in there and then clicking proceed. Pictory's going to get busy doing a little bit of transcription, so just sit back while it does all the work for you. All right, so the transcription's done, and just like that, we're ready to edit. So all of these little red highlighted words are uhs and ums, they're filler words. With one click right here, we can remove all of those. All of these little squares and dots are moments where there's silence because I paused during my presentation. So I can just click here once to remove silences, and I'll move that down to 1 second. Another cool thing that you can do is you can create highlights from your clips. You can highlight words like this, and you can say add to highlights, or AI can do it automatically for you just by clicking on this drop down. I'm going to say I want 2 minutes worth of highlights, and bam, just like that, I've got a handful of highlight videos. If you want, you can download these as individual clips. Another cool thing that you can do is you can start editing your captions right here and add some different styles to them. We have a couple different options here, so you can get a really cool look and feel based on what you want. You can also go ahead and download your highlights video immediately, or you can customize your video in the storyboard with one click right here. And that's just getting started with the AI video editor tool.